In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change availability of HubSpot meetings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to adjust, so your booking page shows only the days and hours that truly work for you. Start by opening your web browser and searching for HubSpot. Click through to the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. If you're prompted for verification, complete that as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on your HubSpot portal. Everything we need is inside your main navigation, so stay within the dashboard and keep an eye on the left sidebar. Hover your mouse over the left sidebar and look for the Sales section. That's where the meeting tools live. From there, select Meeting Scheduler. Depending on your account layout, you might simply see Meetings. That's the right place. This opens your list of meeting links, where each link represents a booking page your contacts can use to schedule time with you. Find the specific meeting link you want to update. Hover over it to reveal more options. Then click Edit. This opens the meeting editor where you can manage details like how the page looks and, most importantly for us today, when it can be booked. Inside the editor, click the Scheduling tab. This is where you control availability and how your calendar is offered to visitors. Give the page a moment to load. Once it does, you'll see settings related to the times your meeting can be booked. In the Availability section, start by choosing the days you're available. Turn on only the days you want to take meetings, and turn off the rest. Next, set the hours you're available on those days. You can type times, or use the controls provided to define your start and end times. If your schedule varies by day, set different hours for each day. If you work in split shifts, create separate time blocks so there's a clear break in the middle of the day. Keep in mind that these hours follow your account's time zone, so make sure your time zone is set correctly in your profile if your bookings involve people in other regions. Also remember that HubSpot will automatically respect any conflicts from your connected calendar, so you only need to define the general windows you're open to meetings here. When you're happy with the days and hours, click Save. Your meeting link will immediately reflect the new availability, and visitors will only see the slots that fit your updated schedule. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.